Hi, my name's Stephanie. I work in a microbiology lab where we study Legionella, which is a bacterium that can cause pneumonia. It actually isn't that great at infecting humans. Usually people only get sick from it when their immune systems aren't functioning very well. But there are outbreaks of it a couple of times a year. People can become infected by inhaling droplets of water from contaminated water sources, such as fountains or hot tubs. In the environment, Legionella is usually found in water where it grows and infects amoebae, which are single-celled organisms. I study a gene that helps Legionella infect and grow in these amoebae. And there's a few different reasons why the project's interesting. First, it's important to understand how Legionella grows in the environment, because if we understand that, it can help control or prevent future outbreaks. Second, many different bacteria have similar genes, so sometimes they use them in similar ways, and sometimes they use them in completely different ways, which is really interesting. The latter is the case with the gene that I'm studying. In other bacteria, it helps those bacteria defend themselves from viruses that can infect them. However, with Legionella, it does the opposite. It helps the bacteria infect amoebae. Um, it's always really interesting when you have one gene that appears to perform two totally different functions. And then since this gene is so widespread in different kinds of bacteria, it might perform this dual function in others as well besides Legionella. So studying how Legionella uses this gene to infect amoebae gives us clues that can help us understand how other bacteria might be using it for different purposes.